Get ready to be blown away by BMW's newest masterpiece. The 2026 BMW X3 combines sleek, aerodynamic design with luxury and performance like never before. Stick around to see how BMW is raising the bar on both style and technology in this incredible SUV. Before we dive into the exciting details, don't forget to subscribe to Car Release TV. Hit that like button if you love the latest in luxury cars, and share this video with your fellow car enthusiasts. Alright, let's kick things off with the new look of the 2026 BMW X3. BMW has reimagined this SUV with a sleeker, more aerodynamic body, giving it a bold and modern stance. The enlarged front grille adds to its assertive look, while sharper, angular headlights give it an eye-catching edge. Moving to the back, the redesigned taillights and a prominent rear spoiler make for a powerful finish that's sure to turn heads. Now, stepping inside the X3, you'll find a luxurious cabin packed with premium materials and advanced technology. The dashboard is sleek and minimalist, perfectly complementing dual high-resolution screens, one 12.3 inches, the other 14.9 inches, that create a futuristic, immersive driving experience. And of course, it's not just about looks. The 2026 X3 is expected to offer a thrilling range of powertrains. You'll have the choice of a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine for a smooth, efficient ride, or, if you crave more power, a 3.0-liter six-cylinder option that delivers a punchier performance. Ready to elevate your driving experience? The 2026 BMW X3 might just be the SUV you've been waiting for. Keep watching Car Release TV for more updates, and make sure to subscribe so you never miss a release.